Hi, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Sauces to Die For series. I discovered Aji Amarillo, which is a delicious but powerful Peruvian pepper paste, at a dinner at the Peruvian ambassador's residence in Washington, D.C. These sauces were inspired by the Aji Amarillo sauce and the white miso sauce by the great chef Nobu Matsuhisa. I call my versions Nobu-ish because I use aji in both sauces, Nobu doesn't, and I use miso in both sauces, Nobu doesn't. I also vary other ingredients and technique. Either sauce makes a good marinade or glaze, but they really shine when combined. I like 2 parts white miso aji sauce to 1 part red miso aji sauce, but 1-to-1 also works well if you like more citrus. I created these sauces on the fly, so feel free to add both the miso and the aji to both sauces at the same time, rather than in the sequence shown in the video. So let's start cooking. And we start with the Aji Amarillo paste in the bowl. Then we add the brown rice vinegar. The freshly squeezed lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lime juice. Mix it up. Now we're going to emulsify the oil by drizzling it in slowly. All right, now we're going to add the red miso. We're going to use the stick blender. Okay, let's taste it. Excellent. First we're going to add the sake. Then the mirin. And we're going to put that on medium heat and bring it to a boil. Just bring it to a boil. We don't want a rolling boil. What we want to do is burn off the alcohol. So as soon as it comes to a boil, we're going to modulate the heat so that we have a simmer basically. Just going to let it go for about 30 seconds to burn off the alcohol. Okay, we're just starting to get some bubbles, so we're going to let it go for about 30 seconds and then add the miso. Okay, now we're going to add the miso by pressing it through this strainer, and that's a good way to mix it into a liquid. Okay. All right, now we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to add the Aji Amarillo paste. Stir it up. All right, now we're going to strain the sauce. And let's taste it. Very nice.